What's up, guys? It's Ethan or Ethan_XL, and right now this is really early in the morning. My brother's right there. You should go subscribe to Jared Lindenberg. That's his YouTube name. All right, so right now it's like 6:41 in the morning, not in the afternoon. Yeah, I wake up to looking at like probably at like 5 inches or so, like about a foot. You probably can't see it because of the screen, but there is a lot of snow. There's a lot of it, and as you can see right there, it's falling down very hard. And I might go out today. I have Black Ops 3 videos that I made yesterday, but I didn't upload. And sorry for not uploading in like 3 days. My brother hasn't uploaded in like 4 weeks. Yeah, so I might go out in the snow with my snow stuff, but oh, Jared, Aaron's trapped at Andrews. Yeah. Guys, my brother, he slept at his friend's house. I'm still tired. He slept at his friend's house, and he had a sleepover, and he's trapped there because of this snow, and he has no snow stuff. Well, that's what he gets. Subscribe for more. Like this video. Peace.